Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these glass containers that I got recently on Amazon. I absolutely love these. I've been looking for glass containers for a while now, and these are amazing. The other ones that I had, the lid was so hard to close. It was just very, very annoying. And these are so smooth. Let me show you. It's so easy to open these and to close these using only one hand. Let me show you. So this is the lid right here. It comes with the silicone ring around that you can remove, by the way. You can remove this if you need to wash it. And now let me show you how easy it is to close these with one hand. Look at this. It's closed. It's unbelievable. I feel like these lids are the best one I've seen so far for glass containers. Every single one of them, very easy and smooth to close. And to me, that's a big deal. These are microwave safe. It's also dishwasher safe and freezer safe, which is very important. My husband and I, we prep a lot of food and I don't like using plastic containers. So that's why we've decided to buy just a bunch of glass containers so we can prep all of our food. Another thing I really like about this brand is how they give you different color options for you to choose from. I got the pink one, which I love, but they also have green, blue, I think orange, and a multicolor. You can get like different colors together. Let me show you so I don't forget the thickness of this glass. It's a pretty thick glass. It has a little bit of weight to it, which is nice. You can see that this is very good quality. It's gonna be hard for you to break this. And yeah, overall, I think these are amazing. Especially for the price that you're paying, these are a pretty good deal. I highly recommend them.